Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the device so the rescue steps succeed. Charge the battery above 50% and connect to a PC if you plan to use a DB. Once connected, try an DB devices check. If listed, pull a quick backup of /data. Then reboot directly into recovery using the device-specific key combo, power plus volume. You must hold keys until the logo appears. This gets you into a controlled environment where you can clear caches or apply fixes without the normal boot process interfering. Once in recovery, you should clear the system caches first because corrupted caches commonly cause loops. Use recovery to wipe cache in Dalvik or ART cache. This is safe and fast. If the loop continues, capture logs with a dblogcat and save them to your PC so you can spot package or kernel errors. Make sure to remove any recently installed apps or partially applied OTA updates by uninstalling or sideloading a clean package. These steps target the middle causes that stop the OS boot sequence. You finish by restoring a known good system image or performing a factory reset when other fixes fail. A factory reset will erase data, so proceed only after backups. If that does not help, reflash the stock firmware with Fastboot or your OEM tool to restore system partitions and the bootloader. Once done, reboot normally. If problems persist, try safe mode to rule out apps and consider hardware diagnosis. Memory or storage faults can mimic boot loops. Keep one key tip: always capture logs before wiping data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.